All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency from all over the corners of the world. Yesterday, we were talking about mining cryptocurrency, and we actually showed a little mining Ethereum cryptocurrency. So today we're going to actually talk about that a little bit, and we're going to talk about Dogecoin in the news, what's going on with the Doge, going to the moon. So if you can just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to our videos, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that, yesterday we were actually walking around showing you GPU miners. We're talking about how the rig makes anywhere from $50 to $80 a day mining Ethereum. Our Bobcat helium miners have come in. The one we have right now in our house, it's not witnessing anybody, so it's averaging a very low amount right now. So we're actually going to be getting a new antenna off of Amazon. And then the M2 Pros from Germany, we're supposed to get here on Friday. And then the FedEx actually said that we got a text message saying that it came here at 5:41 at night, and it didn't. And then we found out that basically the next day it was supposed to get delivered, and it didn't. And now we found out it's like 5 states away, and it's still not going to get delivered for a few more days. So again, with cryptocurrency, when you're putting rigs together, when you're ordering different projects, things don't always go perfect for you. So the one thing you want to do is just have a little patience. Remember we were talking about buckling up when you're doing the cryptocurrency? Well, the same kind of thing. So a couple things yesterday. The 3070s are making about $3 to $4 a day. The 3080s that were down there, they're making about $5 to $6 a day. And the 3090s are making about $7 a day, which is pretty interesting. So there's a lot of things that you can do to basically try to make an extra $30 to $50 a day to $100 a day. Well, buying cryptocurrency is one of them. That you can actually buy it, hold the coin. Also, there's staking coins. And then obviously there's mining the cryptocurrency, which we were showing you yesterday a little bit. Couple things too. You can obviously go bigger and get more GPU cards. We were talking about where do you get the cards. You can buy them online. Best Buy has I think they do it twice a month. They don't let you know exactly when you can actually do it. You just got to kind of know or pay attention, and then you can actually order a GPU card, but you may never get it that way. Also, you can go to Micro Center, and it used to be that you can actually wait in line at like 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, and then you would get your card. Well, now it's a lottery system. You actually have to scan your QR code when you're there, and then an hour or two later, it sends you a text message telling you that the truck has come in, and then it puts you into a random, like again, if there's 50 people there and there's only 20 cards, they're going to random it. So it is kind of getting kind of tough to get the cards, but basically you definitely want to get the cards to put your rig together. With that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We're going to go ahead and head over to Doge right now and talk about Dogecoin in the news. Dogecoin crypto news. 7 things to know about the latest core updating fueling Doge. Well, what's going on with Dogecoin? It's continued is a summer rebound. The coin, which saw stunning price momentum in spring and devastating losses in May and June, is moving back up to 30 cents validation. Much of the resurge is around a general bullish on crypto medium transactions. However, today, Dogecoin crypto news entering around a long-awaited upgrade for the Dogecoin network are the culprits behind the recent gains. The Doge network saw a key upgrade on Friday. No, it's not a huge restructuring investors have been hoping for since this early summer, but it is an upgrade that will prime the network for implementations that tease the restructuring. So what about this recent 1.14.4 that we keep hearing about, the network upgrade that is so important to the future of Dogecoin? Well, here's what you need to know, everybody. The Dogecoin crypto news, Doge network ready for fee restructuring. So again, there's a lot of different things going on. It says first, there's been a few minor fixes that the network is going through. It's called the Dogecoin 1.14.4. The upgrade is currently option for users, although developers strongly recommend it's ahead of looming larger changes, in which nodes would send loads of unnecessary data along transactions, slowing transaction times and wasting energy. The upgrade also implemented a new call function filtered in the Doge protocol, allowing users more easily diagnose any related transactions. So here's another key point. It will also allow imported private keys. The data the provider user's owner is to fund they are moving into the blockchain. More minor fixes include improvements in non-English transactions as a fee reduction structuring. The Dogecoin developers has teased a fee reduction from the network since upgrade proposal in June. So everybody likes lower fees. So this whole upgrade can actually help lower the fees. So it says the current upgrade will implement the fee change just yet. However, it is preparing the network for a larger upgrade, which will actually implement the fees coming soon. Friday's changes are also considered as a part 1 of 2 for the update. So you don't want to miss out on the cryptocurrency boom. With that, let's head over to the top 10. All right, now we're over at the top 10 here. So we got Bitcoin at number 1. It's at 49,289. It's actually up about 8% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is at 33.19, and it's actually up about 6% in the last 7 days. Cardano's in a solid 3rd position. It moved up from number 4 to number 3 last week. It's at a record high, $2.88. And look at this, everybody. It's up 41% in the last 7 days, Cardano, ADA. Binance Coin is at a solid 20% increase in the last 7 days. XRP is at number 6 at about an 8% increase in the last 7 days. Dogecoin is only at a 1% increase in the last 7 days. Polkadot is at number 8, but a very, very, very solid 17% in the last 7 days. That coin's actually selling right now at about $27.51. USD coin is at number 9, and Solana is right there at number 10. Now, this coin has been going off the charts. It's selling right now for $73.85. It's up 17.48% in the last 7 days. Uniswap is right there at number 11. So where is the global cryptocurrency market right now? The global market is over $2.14 trillion. It's an increase of about 1.84% in the last 24 hours. So a lot going on over here in the top 10. All right, over here at Robinhood, just a quick 3 real quick. Ethereum's at 3308. Again, you have the live number, and you can always go back to a month ago what Ethereum was doing. It was at 2200. So Ethereum again right now is at 3305. What's the Dogecoin doing? Doge right now is doing, here we go. The Doge is at 31 cents. What was it doing a month ago? A month ago was at 20 cents. So it's up 50% in the last month. I mean, the Doge is on the rise, so you definitely want to pay attention to the Doge. Let's go ahead and look at the one that leads them all, the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is still trying to get to 50,000. It's at 49,112. Again, a thing I like about this is you can kind of go a month ago, go 3 months ago, go a year ago, just kind of tracking everything. With that, I want to talk about ADA. Over here again at CoinMarketCap, Cardano, I mean, it's at a record right there, $2.89. And again, take a look at what it was doing. I mean, it's just look at the price, 74 cents. And then here we go. It's going up, 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 up. So again, at Frank's Crypto Corner, we like to talk about the news that's going on. Dogecoin, there's some upgrades going on for Dogecoin. Ethereum's in the news all the time. Bitcoin, there's different facilities taking the different cryptocurrency. We were talking about a retirement account that you can actually invest cryptocurrency in there. But just yesterday, we were talking about mining cryptocurrency. And again, you can buy cryptocurrency. You can use that credit card from BlockFi and get those rewards in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And you can mine cryptocurrency. So you may want to decide if you want to do all those or just one or the two of them. But here in the Frank's Crypto Corner, we're going to keep you updated. Don't forget to hit the like button. and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for all the upcoming videos. Right here you can click to see our most